student of class 8 from PM Sri Kendriya Machilipatnam.
Hello everyone, I am Ritika, student of class 8B from PM Sri Kendriya Machilipatnam.
Today we are very delighted to share our experience of the project Mural Art, which was directed by our respected principals and facilitated by our art teacher. So first of all, I would like to tell you that our school got recently painted. We found a big canvas to transform it into a beautiful imagery. We gave it a new look, transformed it into a beautiful masterpiece, keeping in mind the theme of PM Sri activities.
We played an artistic role here like a professional mural artist. Bold line, vibrant color, composition of different shapes and forms. We enjoyed the whole process of mural art. So, first of all, I would like to introduce the main theme of our mural art and the PMC initiative, which initiated in the form of mural art.
So I want to tell you some points about FLN activities. FLN stands for Foundational Literacy and Numeracy. FLN helps us acquire basic skills in reading with understanding and accuracy.
PM Sri Kendriya Machilipatnam, future state of the art. Advanced technological tools designed to make teaching and learning experience more engaging with visual representation of subjects like math, science, and history. Students can grab concepts easily and remember them in a better way. So we can see how we can affect imagery on walls.
Hands-on learning, that's none other than pottery making. The pottery making program at PMCA schools allows students to explore their creativity and develop fine potter skills to working with the clay. Additionally, the program teaches lessons on cultural history of pottery and enriching students to understand and appreciation for cultural craft.
Hello everyone, my name is Hamsrinja from class 8B from PM Sri Kendriya Machilipatnam. In this film, you can see under the PM Sri initiative incorporating carpentry work into the curriculum serves several key purposes. Carpentry education helps students to develop their practical skills. Hello everyone, I am the student of class 8B from PM Sri KV Machilipatnam. The End Computing Lab. The End Computing Lab at our Vidyalaya is a modern facility that enhances students' learning experiences with the latest technology. You can see how we decorated the PM Sri themes on the wall. Robotics, 21st century skills. The school purchased a basic robotics and AI startup kit, providing children with fun and interactive introduction to technology. Language Lab. The Language Lab in our Vidyalaya provides audio and video resources. It helps students to learn speaking, listening, reading and writing skills. Maths activity. Students from classes 9 to 10 engage in hands-on activities in the Maths Lab, utilizing NCERT math circles.
I am Sahas of class 8B from PM Sri Kendriya Machilipatnam. Now we are depicting the wall of science activity. Several new resources have been introduced to science.
The mothers of class 8B from PM Sri Kendriya Machilipatnam. Now we are depicting the wall of social science activities under PM Sri activities. The kitchen garden in our school is an innovative educational initiative that integrates agricultural learning into our school curriculum.
Art and culture.
Sir, when
The NEP 2020 highlights the importance of exposing students to a wide range of art forms, including visual arts, performing arts, and literacy arts. This will help them develop an appreciation for traditions and cultures.
Health offers a free space for students to express their emotions and seek support. Healthy body is important for a sharp brain. For girls, classes 6 to 8 held 4 days of a week for 3 months had profound impact on their self-confidence. The regardless training not only enhanced their physical strength and self-respect, self-defense skill, but also fostered a sense of discipline and resilience.
everyone. I am Rehan Sethi, PGT Art Education from KV Machilipatnam. Today finally we completed our mural art project which is based on PM Shri activities. I am very thankful to our principal sir and teacher staff for their support. I choose the place which is very panoramical view and also very vast. And I choose because parents come here, stakeholders come here, they stay here, so they can see easily what we are going to present for nation, and they can see our theme PM Shri activities clearly. So I choose space as a canvas for me. So wonderful for our staff and students of secondary classes. Thank you.